attitude is that it is more people oriented and circumstances oriented. So, but most of the time we have learned that attitude is more of a internal thing. So, how to improve that if that goes haywire in certain situations? So, what to do in such situations?
Take 2 minutes of whiteboard. Okay, sit. I'll just show you a little small thing. This is your character. C. Okay. In Asian countries, it is developed only till 7 years. After that, you don't develop character. You just develop layers of it, which is called your attitude and the traits of an attitude. What you are talking, positive, negative, body language, all those things are traits of an attitude. Comes out of your behavior. Okay. Now, in this pyramid, if you look at skill and will metrics, okay, you have knowledge, you have skill, you have ability, and you have हर चीज जो मैं लिखूंगा वो ठीक नहीं होती. हैबिट. टूथपेस्ट और टूथब्रश का एग्जांपल पकड़ो. 1 साल के बच्चे को टूथपेस्ट करना सिखाना है. बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल लाइफ में पकड़ने चाहिए. कैसे सिखाओगे? First, what will you do? You are 3 to 5 years away from parenthood. Incentive, you are 7 years away. First, इतना बड़ा लिख दिया यार. First, you have to knowledge all words of life है. पहले बताना पड़ेगा. This is toothbrush, this is cycle, this is pedal, this is brake. Then you teach house of life. 2 दिन के बाद करेगा, मैं नहीं करूंगा. Then teach him or her all whys of life. क्यों करेगा? चुन्नू करेगा तो तू भी कर. Then carrot and stick. Okay, so that's why I said you are 7 years away. Then it becomes a habit, which leads to 2 things. One is an input and one is an output. We'll talk about it maybe in detail when we come next. One is the efficiency and one is an effectiveness. As one is a percentile figure, so it will be an output, and input will be a normal thing. So efficiency and effectiveness of a person is dependent on how good his habits are. आज अगर आपको ब्रश करने या नहाने के लिए बोला जाता हो, तो you are in a very dangerous situation. Yes, no? Then become a habit. Yes, no? Simple. So, like this, you have 3 interventions in life, you know. First intervention is a teacher or a trainer who teaches you a knowledge or skill. Then there is a coach who coaches you. Coach comes from world of sports. I'm quickly telling you what is I want to tell you in 2 minutes. Coaching comes from world of sports. So 11 बंदे को गोल करना है, कोच नहीं गोल करेगा. He has a national team, so that national team member is expected to have some skill and knowledge. That's why he is selected there. He might be his shoulders drop. Now coming to the most important thing. When your shoulders drop and your habits are not effective, you need a mentor. Guru Ghantal, इसको बोलते हैं in life. To change your character, you need a mentor. It can be different examples I'll give you. It can be Tihar jail में Kiran Bedi's work is a mentorship. From negative energy to positive energy. Moving. Tihar jail में कैसे कैदी होंगे जिन्होंने 15